think we are active and we are live. Are we live? Are we live? Can y'all boys hear me? And can y'all boys see me? Isaac's in the chat. Who else? Who else? Yo, what's going on? Yes, sir. What up, bro? Saw Carlos. All right, I just need to do a couple things. Gold Asia session, it works like magic. Why can't I see the analytics for this live? Still connecting. All right. Well, okay, let's do some analysis. What up, Eric? What's good? What's good? Let's get it. Right now, I'm just doing some analysis on gold. I'm trying to figure out what I'm looking at, why we're rejecting downward. Seems like we're in a 1 hour FEG right now. We're in a 1 hour FEG. Boom. Could sweep this low to continue higher. Our price might want a deeper retracement to sweep this low to continue higher. I'll just have that marked. Do we have any news or anything today? Not really. There's news at 9. Boom. Have that marked. Cool. Let's drop down to a 15-minute. Yeah, Asia low's already been swept. So this is giving us bearish price action. Asia low's already been swept. There's no reason to come back down here. London low, but London low is the sweep. So we could definitely just be bearish coming for these lows and these lows that we marked out. Asia low and these lows. We might be going lower. We might be going lower, boys. Okay, that's gold. Let me go do create a story on NQ. What's going on, Ben Johnson? NQ looks like a whole bunch of chop, which could be definitely accumulation. NQ just got done filling this hourly FEG. We rejected from it. And we just inverse this hourly FEG back to the upside. That we just retested to continue going higher. So NQ is definitely giving us bullish price action. Definitely is. I think NQ is bullish, but we need to wait to see if it can give us some type of entry. I think NQ is bullish, but I do think market open will come and we'll take out these lows first. Hold on, is this an SMT low? Let's check. Yeah, there's an SMT low. So I think NQ is bullish. We don't want this low here to be taken. Cool. What about these equal lows? That's also an SMT low. It's not really an SMT low, actually. That's just equal lows on NQ, and it's kinda just relatively equal lows. I lost so much of my entire life savings trading this loser system. Well, then that's your fault now, isn't it? Who the hell told you to put your life savings on it? Coming into my shit being disrespectful. Freaking PBG Cuban. Like, that's your fault now, isn't it? Bro came in and put his life savings on a strategy he's found on YouTube. Like, what? Bro did no due diligence, didn't backtest, didn't study. He just came and dumped his life savings in it and coming in my chat to blame me. Bro, fuck wrong with people sometimes, bro. It's just starting to get ridiculous. Thank you, Isaac. Thank you. He most definitely was not taking one trade a day. Thank you, Marcus. The very, very first thing I would have told him in the mentorship was, don't do that. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, I'm not even trying to excuse me. I'm not even trying to pitch or anything, but it's like, if you're gonna spend your entire life savings losing, why not pay so you could potentially win? It doesn't make any sense. Or you have prop from accounts that's $70, $80. Like, come on, bro. That means your life savings was probably like $200 because you blew maybe 5 evals. Then you have bigger problems to worry about than trading. Not even trying to be obnoxious. Like, thank you. That life savings was not much. So guys, right now, I'm kind of waiting for price action to tell me a little bit of a story. This is that Asia session low in this 1 hour gap. We did accumulate. This looks a lot like Marcus is short. He probably caught this. Did you catch this, Marcus? The short right here. This looks a lot like Marcus's setup. We're accumulating as support and then it broke it, so he's in here. Something like this. Yeah, you weren't looking at gold? Yeah, this looks a lot like your setup, brother. Good morning. Good morning, Shonen. You was waiting to answer that? Yeah, it definitely looks good. I was sleeping. I woke up, put some water in my face, washed my hair, and I'm live now. So whatever I see after right now is what I'll take. So we are accumulating, and this downtrend is holding. So till then, I'm gonna continue with the bearish bias. We could get some type of Timmy. I don't think I'm not gonna take these London session low longs. I'm gonna see what price action has to do, because this is what a sweep we accumulated and then we broke back into the range. So this definitely, gold looks bearish right now. Gold looks bearish, but once these lows here start getting taken, my bearish bias might start flipping depending on its reaction. Yeah, you're in longs on what, NQ? Yeah, NQ is bullish. I low-key want to fade you though. I want to see if it can sweep out this trendline liquidity and tap into this 1 hour for me to go long. So that's what I see on NQ. ES has equal highs above. It's so obvious. But I need sweeps to get into my position. I would low-key take my trade on ES if we had gotten some type of sweep. It's moving. NQ is definitely the weaker pair. Belongs is so obvious on ES, especially with the equal highs above. So I want to see if we get it. There's that 5-minute inverse. It's about to give it to us. No sweep though. There's dead ass no sweep. No sweep on this, guys. Man, where's my energy? Come on, Dae. Good morning, y'all. There we go. Gold is still flushing. What an excellent short. This looks too clean. Not a single candle body closure above. Okay, let's see if we can continue this. Once we put in a new low, let's see if we can continue this. We can continue this short. Remember, I want to short to this low down there. I want to short to this low. I mean, yeah, this technically was a Timmy setup on gold. It was just during London session. If you go on the 15-minute, you go on the 15-minute right now. What happened? We came into a 1-minute, 15-minute FEG, rejected it. After we rejected it, we got a 1-minute. You wouldn't take this 1-minute IFEG because you have another IFEG here. So you're waiting, boom, you got this 1-minute IFEG. You can take the short here. If you're a little bit scared, you can go to like the 3-minute. And you wouldn't take your IFEG to here. So you would short it like this. And Bob's your uncle. Your TP is about to get hit. There's that London low sweep. Remember, if this shit wants to continue dumping, it should flush through here. If it wants to continue bullish, it should start reacting heavily. Because short term, we are creating a short term bearish trend. But I think that's low-key just to grab some liquidity. Boom. A bullish market would react right here, right now. A bearish market would flush through this, like it's currently doing. A bullish market would bounce right now. A bearish market would keep flushing. There we go. Okay, I think I have a good narrative of what I'm looking at. Yeah, I think I have a good narrative of what I'm looking at right now. High, low, higher, high, sweep. Continue higher. This low should be protected. Low, high, low, high, low. Minute. Let's see if we can get that. Actually, let me do that on ES because I want these equal highs. It'd be so obvious sometimes. But then again, the market does manipulate a lot. So it'll just manipulate you and then market open and then it'll go for it. How was y'all's 4th of July? Did y'all do anything or were y'all just waiting for the market to open? Closed on Friday for no reason either. Come on. I would really love an AMD right now. Like I would really love an AMD right now. Sat home watching my 2-year-old throw toys around. And my dumb ass gotta clean up. Hey bro, cherish that. I've been having baby fever lately, but no. How old are you if you don't mind me asking? Quantify TV. Has the giveaway in the Discord ended? Who won? It ends in 8 hours. Guys, you still have 8 hours to enter into that giveaway. I'm giving away 3 funded accounts, 3 50Ks. It's on a new firm. I want y'all to try it. I'm giving away 3 funded accounts. Gold buys? Wait. You're buying in a bearish structure, man. with the full candle closure after a liquidity sweep. This, like, let's really look at it. Let's really look at it. Not saying gold buys won't work, but these are the trades I avoid so you don't lose your life savings trading this guy's strategy. Look, even if it works, I'm willing to let it go and then try and catch a continuation pattern to continue just to confirm. I'm willing to get a worser entry. Why? Look. Sweep. We were bullish. We went up. This is all noise. Took out a low. Sweep. This low was supposed to be protected, was it not? What did we do? Came back down. Higher high. This low is now supposed to be protected, is it not? Broke it. All the way down here. Put in a high. Put in another low. Sweep. Broke it. This low is supposed to be protected, is it not? It stayed protected, okay? What did we do? Put in a new high. Broke it. This high that it just put in swept out this tiny little high here. So this high now is supposed to be protected, isn't it? And then we broke it. So I'll start looking for bullish confirmation and bullish structure when, as you can see, it's all just structure. I'm just trading with the trend. So I'll start looking for bullish confirmation and bullish structure. Number one, we have 12 minutes in the hour. If this hourly fair value gap inverses, that's a huge problem. That's a huge sign that it wants to go lower. That's number one. Number two is that there's a clear target here. On the hourly time frame, let's look at it. Accumulation, manipulation, break of structure, retest, it's continuing lower. So I wouldn't really start worrying about sells till here. Buys to here, here, or here. The one I like the most is this one. This is the low I like the most. Cool. What low is this? 5-minute time frame or 15-minute? It's not a very important low. Right above it is Asia session low. So this could easily be like a continuation lower to target these lows. So what are we doing right now? Reacting off a 5-minute FEG. So what do I want it to do? We came down, retest, put in some type of low, come back, sweep it, dump, and then I'll take it to at least these Asia session low before I start worrying about longs. So if I get a short setup right now coming out of one of these FEGs, I'll short it. Yeah, I'm not entering right now. I'm waiting. I'm just showing y'all like what I'm seeing with price action. You're welcome. You're welcome, Mohammed. What bad? I don't have any reviews, man. You guys do know I'm human, right? Like you come into the chat and you say, does this guy, whatever, it's like you can ask me. I'm human. But just watch all my other streams. They've been profitable. Haven't gotten my 250K legacy account login details in days. Tried reaching support, no response. They email you that stuff the moment you purchase. Check your spam. And it just shows up on your dashboard. It just shows up on your dashboard. Like, you can just log into Apex and you see it. Like, I'm so, I'm so confused. But hey, here's the thing, guys, though. We're getting a lot of new viewers. So they don't really know me. We're getting a lot of new viewers. You're getting a lot of, we're getting a lot of new viewers. So how I'll go again, and I am trading. I only got one of those 250Ks. So I have it synced to my Trade Syncer, well, to my Trade Copia, because I switched from Trade Syncer to Trade Copia. And how to beat it is intraday trailing drawdown, guys. It's intraday. How to beat it, you're going to see. Go for a 1-to-1. Go for a 1-to-1. And another thing is, you've heard bad reviews. I actually don't know where you could have heard that from. I'm not big enough yet to be on Pinterest, on Reddit or anything like that where they're talking about me. So it's like, I think you inferred that, or you saw one comment on Instagram. You really need the free account? I should pick you. Just enter into the giveaway, man. I'm gonna do one like every month. It's in my Discord. Join up. 53 concurrent viewers, and it's not even 8:30 yet. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go. Oh, guys, I know what it is. I know what it is. I know what it is, right? They don't like the fact that I only take NQ pushing higher. Fuck me. Bro, come on, NQ. And ES. I need this to go lower. Come on, baby. Come on, NQ and ES. Don't do this. There's nothing there for you. Except these equal highs, but come on. Don't you want to manipulate? Manipulate Marcus. I need this to manipulate Marcus right now. Bro, no way. I refuse to. There's no way. Nah. Trendline liquidity. Come on. I need this to manipulate lower. I want the longs, but I really need this to manipulate lower first. Come on, NQ. All longs is valid to this high. Any long is valid to this high. So even if we break this high, then we come back down to sweep, longs are valid. Why? It's just a bullish market right now. Short term on NQ is bullish. No, I don't know. I think it comes with the trading influencer role. Why are people calling you bad day? I can't stand it. Yeah, imagine how I feel. Like, I don't have to do this. I could have done this for my students only, which I was thinking of doing at first. I was like, okay, I can just stream for my students only. And I wouldn't get random bots coming in telling me I'm bad. I think what's going to happen is that we're going to take out these highs. We're going to consolidate. Market's going to open, it's going to dump. It's going to sweep out some lows. Then it's going to V-shape back upward. Will it give you an entry? That I do not know. Okay, guys, for this gold trade, hear me out. Based off the model, it's correct. Let's even see. Based off the model, it 100% is correct. I think we're going to get we're going to get a buy signal here from this indicator. We're going to get a buy signal. I'm going to ignore it, but I want to see if it wins off the buy signal. If you place your stops here, a 1-to-1 will be the fill of this big gap here if you get a buy signal. I will ignore it because I want to see what it does. How do I join your mentorship, Dae? I still have a lot to learn, but it's been so much easier understanding how to trade based on the way you explain things. Just apply, man. Just apply in the description. I try to work with people and work with y'all. I'll teach you to the best of my abilities. But you also still have to listen to what I say and what I tell you. ES is struggling. When is market open? Let's mark that out. It's 7:57, so it's almost 8 o'clock. So we have 30 minutes till market opens. So I doubt we're gonna get an entry. I doubt we're gonna get an entry on this. Yeah. Session liquidity model. Let me see it live in action. Do you have a track record? I mean, yeah, I have a track record. It's a clumsy track record of funded accounts and passing funded accounts, getting payouts, blowing them, passing funded accounts, getting payouts, blowing them. If you mean a track record of not blowing accounts, I blow accounts, man. I blow them. But I also pass them and I also get payouts. And then I blow them. And then I buy another one and get payouts. And then I blow them. Nobody admits that though, do they? Nobody admits that though, do they? Yeah, just check my Instagram. Just check my Instagram, it's all there. Check gold on 3 minute. Check gold on 3 minute. What's going on here? After this sweep. Let's wait on this. I knew it. Let's wait on this. NQ high. Yeah, NQ just took out the high. Gold is moving now. There's Asia session low tap. I want to see if it'll react from there. If it doesn't and it gives you that inverse to go upward, it just cleared both levels. That means gold really wants to go higher, which by the way, if it wanted to go higher, it would do it from here. Let's see. Let's really see. We just cleared this level. Move this 3 minute. Remember, guys, I already told you that I'm not really planning on taking these longs. It could work. I'm willing to skip it. I want to see if I can find something better. Maybe on NQ or ES. That's the one thing I don't like about trading multiple pairs, right? Before, it would just be gold. So if I took these longs and they lost, that was my one trade for the day. I wouldn't look at NQ or ES. But it's like, oh, this is a major SMT, by the way. There's SMT. But yeah, I want to see these lows. This stuff gets swept or taken. If market wasn't opening, this is a great short position right now. If market didn't open in a bit, you can short this. Why? Because this is all trendline liquidity. And that's SMT with ES. So that's not a horrible short. Yeah, NQ just inverse 5 minute. Or it's about to. Marcus, that's your short right there. It's breaking, ain't it? Marcus, that's your short. It's breaking this trend line. Has it broken it yet? Well, technically, no, I guess. If you put the trend line on the body, it's breaking it. Something like this. It's hard to draw trend lines accurately. Yeah, stop loss would be massive. Okay, gold is moving. Guys, patience, patience, patience pays. Patience, patience, patience will pay you. It's 8:03. We have market open in 30 minutes or so. We trade the 5 minute time frame, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We have 6 candles till market opens. Can your trade hit in 6 candles? Maybe. If this 5 minute doesn't close above this 5 minute FVG, that's a really strong bearish sign. Will you clear the level? Boom, cleared the level. Though on the hourly, you have a huge bear flag. I'm bullish on this on the hourly. I know it looks janky, number one, but NQ's a bullish pair. Like, this dump here, I just wanted to sweep something so we can take it long. I'm actually bullish on the hourly. We have 58 concurrent viewers. Can we get to 100? I'll do another giveaway. There is currently a giveaway going on in my Discord, so if you're not in that, please join that so you can partake in it. Okay, guys, I'll say it again. This is exactly what I'm looking for. ES accumulation. I want this to manipulate lower. Maybe because of market open or something. I want it to manipulate lower, sweep out some of these lows, get a 3 minute or a 5 minute inversion back to the upside. On gold, this session liquidity model trade that I did not take, but it's a textbook session liquidity model trade. So I'm just trying to avoid pattern trading, but this is a session liquidity model trade. It's not horrible. You're just fading the short-term trend. That's all with this trade. It can definitely win. This is a textbook session liquidity model trade. The only thing is you're fading the trend. I just don't fade the trend. But what happened? We swept London lows, we closed above it, and we closed above Asia's low as well, and inverse this fair value gap above Asia. It's not horrible. It's not. You just don't see me in it because I don't like to trade against the trend. I just don't like, I said it, I don't like to trade against the trend. No, I'm not going to take this. When I take it, you see. When I take a setup, you see. A long on NQ will be much better after we get sweeps. Those I will probably take. Leaving these Asia session lows here untapped. Let's see how you react to this 15-minute gold. Okay. My job right now is to wait and yap. If you don't like me yapping, man, just get off the stream. Yeah, dream about magic. They don't understand. They don't understand that it's patience and willing to let setups go. That's how you don't lose your life savings. You sent it in the Discord. Let me even see what you're looking at. Let's see. I kind of want those highs, Marcus. Because when you're trading NQ, oh, no, I didn't lose my life savings. Somebody came in the chat and said they lost your life savings trading the model. And I was just like, it wasn't my model, it was your trading. You can lose your life savings trading any model. Yes, you can use TradingView with Apex. Yeah. You're going for a 1-to-1 on gold? Let me know how it plays out. Well, I'm going to see it. But we are trading against the trend. So I'm not in this. I'm not in this. Y'all will see my executions. I'm not in this. Let's actually see something here. We're in the 50% of the range. Let's see what happens. Hey, good shit, Dream Bout. Good stuff, man. What model have you been using? Whatever model you're using, stick with it. Don't change nothing. You got 10K in payouts. Dream Bout Magic, whatever model you're using, if you're using like an actual real model, stick with it. Don't change anything. It got you 10K in payouts. Don't change a single thing. Yeah, it's not enough to live on, but that stuff compounds. You have to understand. It compounds. It's 8:11. So right now on NQ and ES, good stuff, AG trades. It compounds. So the setup I'm looking at, we're more than likely going to get it on gold. I mean on NQ or ES. I think it's an NQ or ES type of day. I think it's an NQ or ES type of day. Because I'm willing to let gold go for some more information. Right now, it's 50-50 on gold. You guys really have to understand that. Like, this is what I see on gold. I'm just seeing high, low, sweep, break, sweep, break. This could easily just be this. But if your model told you to buy, then buy. Rejecting it. This stop loss is huge. Are you talking about a short? News at 10 a.m. too? What type of news is it? Yeah, I'll still take a trade. These don't do nothing. Remember, we skipped our trade the last time because we were worried about this. This doesn't do anything. I'll still take a trade. Oh, 5 minute? Oh yeah, 5 minute. That's the same close, isn't it? Just a little bit higher. Yeah, ISM PMI last week, I think it was last week Wednesday. Yep, last week Wednesday I was worried about this news and we missed our setup. ISM manufacturing PMI. So if I get a setup at 8:45, I will take it and I'll just be cautious, but I'll take it. I don't think these would do much, but we'll see. Look at that beautiful short on NQ playing out. Let's see how gold holds here. Guys, look at this. Look at more equal highs. Look at more equal highs. It's like I want this to long so bad. This AMD is going to play out. This is a bread and butter setup. Accumulation. Manipulate a little bit lower. Manipulate a lot lower. More actually. I want this to go lower. Equal lows here on ES. So once we take that, I'm looking to long because I want this SMT to hold. But let's see though. Marcus, tell me when that stuff is breaking your channel. If it's breaking the channel and not holding on NQ, like let me know when it's breaking out. Gold is going lower. That's right. Good. Exactly. Trend. Okay, I think I might actually take this on gold. Let me see though. Nothing. Nothing. No sweep whatsoever. The 1 hour fair value gap is holding from 10 a.m. on Thursday. Bro, this looks so predictable. I really think this is just what's about to happen. Sweep and then we go higher. What else is about to happen? It's already inverse. We've already traded above it. We're just gonna sweep this. Guys, gold's going lower, but there's no sweep. This is just a retest of Barely missed the 0.18. Gold swept Asia low. Where? Asia low's down here. It's Asia low here too. Yeah, it has, but you have to wait to see how it reacts. You have to. So now I want to see how gold, if gold can come back down here and sweep this and then react again, I'll actually now start looking for longs. Because it's confirmed. Remember what I said, guys, I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to wait for confirmation. So technically, you're supposed to be in a long setup right here. Technically, if you're pattern trading the model. You're supposed to be in a long setup right here. But we're fading the trend. We need to make sure that this is actually a reversal and not just a fake out, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to wait to see what... My bad, y'all. We're going to wait to see what gold does reacting off this level, right? Why? Because this is a 3-minute sweep. So we're going to see what gold wants to do at this 3-minute sweep with this London low. And then if it gives like a reaction and an inverse out of it, I'll take that one. So I skipped this one to potentially have one more. I'll take that one. Whereas if you were just in this trade on the 5-minute, you would simply just be in drawdown right now. Pay for information. Wait for information. So for example, look, Syed is very confident on gold shorts. I am also confident on gold shorts, but my model has presented a gold long. What do I do? What do you do? You're bearish, but your model presents a long setup. What do? You simply wait. You wait for information. That's what we're doing. You simply wait. Excuse me. I know you want these lows. Boom! That's the sweep I wanted. Hey, careful, 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 careful. Equal lows. Equal lows. ES. Careful on longs. Market's gonna open and dump. Watch. Market's gonna open and you shouldn't be taking a setup on ES or NQ right now because it's 10 minutes to market open. Market's gonna open and then we might probably come take out. Okay, boom, it's gonna take it out right now. It's just gonna take it out. You get a valid sweep out of this. Look at all this trend line liquidity. Look at all this trend line liquidity. Giving us, look at this. Let's see what you have for us on market open. I really like y'all's patience today. Let's hope the market rewards us. Remember, this is a retest of that 1 hour gap while sweeping out this 1 hour low. Let's see what it does. If there was no market open, I would be looking to long this, by the way, guys. So we're just waiting. But based off how I trade, if there was no market open, I'll be looking to long this. Boom, there's a real sweep. Oh shit, peep gold. Wait, just wait. On gold too. Wait across the board. Beautiful longs if we took out this low on gold. Remember where you're trading into. This is a 15-minute bearish gap in a downtrend. So it's like, obviously, if we're reversing, then this gap will get inversed and it'll fold, but that's you guessing. And remember, we're not worried about market open on gold. So if gold gives us a setup, we'll take it. A setup that aligns with our daily bias and all of that stuff, you know. But I'm pretty sure some people in my Discord probably took these longs. I hope they win. You're back in profit if you took this 5-minute long here. You're back in profit. I would definitely go break even here. Boom. Once these gets taken, definitely go break even. There we go, AG. There we go. That drawdown was a little scary, wasn't it? But be careful here. See how NQ was just waiting and holding? I like this hold on NQ. Market open, I don't want to see a massive reaction. I want to see something smooth and chill. I want to see gold manipulate one more time. There we go. Now you'll break even. Boom. ES and NQ are reacting from where we need it to. NQ has a lot of equal highs above. ES has a lot of equal highs above. I'm definitely looking for longs on this, but we got to wait till market open. And if market opens and just dumps, we're patient. Boom. Nothing happened. It's a Monday. I want to start off this Monday with extreme discipline. What time is it? We have 4 minutes, so I can yap for 4 minutes. It's a Monday. ISM Services PMI. If I get a setup before this, I will take it. Tuesday, we should be good to trade with nothing in our way. Wednesday, FOMC at 1 p.m. This has never really affected me unless the market's choppy. Yes, I'm looking to take trades either on gold, NQ, or ES. Thursday, we have unemployment claims. This never really affects us. So we have a clean week to trade. It's going to be a full trading week, Monday to Friday. Beautiful longs. Let's see what market open gives us. I hope this really doesn't pump. I hope this doesn't pump because these are beautiful longs here. Yeah, I would. If gold comes down, sweeps out these lows, and gives a continuation setup, I'll long it then. Why we just left equal highs here? Yeah. Damn, we have 75 concurrent viewers. We're growing. If y'all just bought your Apex accounts, let me get y'all a winning setup with patience. Let me get y'all a winning setup for using my code. Let me get y'all a winning setup. Two more minutes till market opens. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, they're not correlating. I think this is gonna pump. So I'm looking about 22 minis. I mean, fuck. 22 minis is crazy work. I'm thinking about 22 micros. We just swept out these highs, so let's see what it does during market open. NQ's dumping lower. Let's see. Let's really see. Let's wait. Oh my goodness, fuck me. It's going without us. It's going without us. Come on, send it lower. Yeah, it's gonna take out those highs. Wow, and NQ is holding. Fucking knew it, bro. This is our trade. God damn it, NQ. I mean ES. Okay. That's a sweep. God damn it, ES. That's the one I wanted. NQ's lagging behind, but I think NQ's still good too. Let's see. Has ES taken out any objective? No, ES has left Asia session high. Retrace. If this closes, it'll long. If this inverses this, it'll long. It's just there's deadass no proper stop placement. None. Maybe here. About 4 contracts. Only if it closes though. Yeah, we're calm. Only if it inverses. Will you give us this trade? We have a minute 36 for the 5 minute. Let's wait on the 5 minute. Since it's rejecting anyways, let's wait on the 5 minute. If this 5 minute closes, I'll be a lot more confident. I don't think it'll leave. This is London session high. It'll give some type of retracement. Come on, NQ. This is ridiculous. These are equal highs above. Let's see if NQ wants to give it to us or if it wants to stop us out. We're risking only $500 on this trade. So it'll either be a huge, massive stop out or it'll give us a little bit of glory. I want to risk 500 on this trade. Here. Let's see, we also closed above this 5 minute here. We closed above that. Did ES take out the high? ES did not take out the high. So let's see if it holds or stops us out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yeah. This is a stop out. Oh God. Oh God, yeah. There's a stop out for sure. Yeah, I just got stopped out, like with a quickness. With equal highs above, what the fuck? After inversing everything. Yeah, I just got stopped out. ES is holding. Wow. And I really think this is still gonna go higher. It's equal highs everywhere. Wow. The stop placement didn't even hit. This is gonna go win. This is gonna win. I still think this is gonna win. I still think this is gonna win. It's equal highs. Syed, you did tell me. Yeah. This wasn't a bad setup. We inversed every gap to the upside while leaving equal highs above. And then we waited for the retracement with our stops right here. I mean, doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, I just really hate starting my Mondays like this, but it's fine. Excuse me. But let's do stay on. See if I can catch y'all a different re-entry. Yeah, let's just wait. I'll probably take, if I do get a second setup, I'll log into a different account. Let me. Okay, so I lost 500 on my 50Ks. I lost 1.5K on my 250K. Ooh, it's heavy, but that's an eval. Like, look at this. Like, look at this. Like what? Look at this. That's where it's going, man. It's going higher, bro. It's going higher. Like, it's obvious. It's going higher, man. It's so obvious. It's so obvious. It's going higher. We never took the stops. We never took the stops. But who's putting your stop loss all the way down there? That's insane work. This stuff is going higher. It just took us out first, or took me out first. It's going higher. The trade makes sense. The trade makes way too much sense. It's going higher. We were just liquidity. This was me right here. This is that 5-minute gap. Look at how well it respected it. You're long NQ, valid longs. I was long NQ right here. What's gold doing? NQ still manipulating and shit. Gold 1 minute Timmy. Oh, there's no FEG. No FEG. No FEG. FEG down here. There's a 2 minute FEG over here. Could play out. Journal this. iPhone 18. I usually journal off stream, but there's time. It's only 8:44, so there's an early loss. This is freaking ridiculous, NASDAQ. Y'all know this is going higher, right? I hope y'all know that. If you were to take a re-entry, it would low-key be now. There's break even once we hit it. Boom, there's break even. There's break even. Yeah, I agree. There's break even, and this would be TP right here. I think we're gonna go smash it. I journal my trades with TradeZella. We would be break even right now. Can we at least get stopped at break even? And then gold is preparing to short like crazy. Gold is shorting. This is a good short on gold. Oh, Lord me. One trade a day keeps the 95 away. You re-entered on ES? Yeah. There we go. There we go, Eric. There we go, Eric. I'm not gonna re-enter, but it's like so obvious where it's going. The market looks a little crazy, you know. We just paid for information here. We entered too early. We were way too early. Break even? Stop me out at break even if I was still in this trade. If I was still in this trade, this would be my setup here. My stop loss was here, and my TP was here for like a 1 to 2. Here I'm break even. Once we take out these highs, I would be break even. So right now I would be break even, and I want to see if this trade would have still took me out at break even or not. So I can journal that. What a FOMO entry day. Oh, jeez. Oh, shit. Man, beautiful setup too. Jeez, Lord. 5-minute FEG. Another 5-minute below us. Held it perfectly. It's just this massive wick. What is that? What is this massive candle? Oh my God. This is gonna go hit TP. It's gonna go smack. Hey, y'all saw that video I made? Trading NQ at market open. I waited till after market open though. This was market open. Wait for the pullback. We got it, but the pullback was just too deep, was deeper than I thought it would be. And there go TP. There go TP, y'all. There go TP, y'all. It's gonna hit it. I just traded live. We got stopped out. And our trade is winning. It would have won. Our trade is winning. There go TP. I mean, you can leave. It's NZE. You could leave. It's not going to affect me or my pockets in any way, shape, or form. Like, at all. Please don't go. Please, please don't go. I need your sub. Please, buy my mentorship. Use my code, please. Hey, there go TP, guys. Where did y'all place y'all stops? Like this, like the trade hit. What? How could I predict that this 200-point wick would take me out? Like the trade hit. So I mean, it's looking good, guys. So we just have to come back tomorrow. That's impossible that you keep losing taking my trades because on stream I'm winning. So you're managing it incorrectly. I just lost today. They weren't here last week. Last week I lost one trade and won the rest of the week. They weren't here last week, man. Let them talk. I guarantee you they're going to be back tomorrow. We're going to be back tomorrow. Yeah, this is your first day here. I'm sorry it wasn't a win. Why is bro stealing trades? Whose trades am I stealing? I just did this analysis in front of you. Oh, the guy in the chat. The guy in the chat is stealing trades. I mean, you're streaming live on YouTube while showing trades, so it's like you're going to take the setup that you're taking. But they don't know how to manage risk. They don't know how to hold winners, when to go break even, all that fun stuff. So if we took this trade like this with our stops all the way down here, man, we would have still had a 1-to-1. God, maybe I should have just did that. We would have still had a 1-to-1. And then gold, you see why I avoided gold? Look at this, it's all chop. The bulls aren't active on gold. That's why I avoided that 5-minute long on gold. It would have hit break even, so we wouldn't have won on that if we took the long setup anyways. And the short setup hasn't given an entry yet for real on gold. It's about to in 1 minute though, if y'all want to take that. Sweep. First day here, welcome crypto parlay. We lost. We'll come back tomorrow though. There was a 2-minute entry on gold for short. Oh yeah, I see it right here. Tiny little FEG, so you got in here. Or no, you wait for a retest, so you got in here. This is where you got in. Stop loss here. London low will be first TP, second TP, and then third TP. I think I'm the only one that's gonna lose today. I believe you, man. If I add 2093, I believe you. I say that to just deter freeloaders away. Yeah, it is a good sell. After this 3-minute closes, if it closes beneath this gap on the 3-minute, it's not a horrible sell. Anyways, I think I'm about to call it a day and round up here with y'all. Oh, one trade a day. We'll be back tomorrow, guys. We'll win tomorrow. We'll win tomorrow. Deuces. Peace. Catch y'all boys later.